Hello, people. If you've been here before, welcome back. If this is your first time, channel. Right now we're working with a series of video tutorials for people who want to get better in the TOEFL test. And this moment we are working with structure and written expression, specifically working with articles. So let's move on. Okay. So we've seen in previous videos that singular countable nouns have an article. We talk about definite articles. So in skill 54, we're going to make articles agree with nouns. The definite article the is used for both singular and plural nouns. So agreement is not a problem with the definite article. Right? However, because the use of the indefinite article is different from singular and plural nouns, you must be careful of agreement between the indefinite article and the noun. One very common agreement error is to use the singular indefinite article a or an with a plural noun. He saw a new movies, right? So movies is plural, and a is an article for singular countable nouns, so they don't match. There is no agreement. They travel to a nearby mountains. Mountains is plural again. And do you have another books? Books is plural. So in this example, you should not have a or an because the nouns are plural. The following sentences are possible corrections of the sentence above. For example, he saw a new movie, right? Singular, a new movie. He saw new movies, plural. So there's no need for the definite article. They traveled to a nearby mountain, singular, mountain, one. They traveled to nearby mountains, plural. Do you have another book, singular, another? Do you have other books, plural, right? So this chart states the key points for you to remember about the agreement of articles and nouns. You should never use a or an with plural nouns. Right? That's it. That's really it. Okay. We know that we use a or an with different sounds at the beginning of the singular countable noun. But we saw that already in previous videos. So if you have a question, go back the previous video and see what I'm talking about. Right now, we're going to move on to the exercise. So exercise 54 says each of the following sentences contains a or an. Circle these indefinite articles, and we're going to draw an arrow to the noun that it describes and then indicate if the sentences are correct or incorrect. So look at the example. Number one, she went to school in a local community, right? A community, singular, so this is fine. The doctor used an other pills. Pills is plural, so this is not right. It should be, he used another pill, right? It should be singular, not plural. Okay, so right now it's the time for you to pause the video and try to complete the exercise. And when you finish, come back and we're gonna look at answers. Pause the video now. Okay, now that you're back, it says it is necessary to have a farm or land of your own. So this is correct, a farm. You must contact a members of the club. Members is plural, so this is incorrect. It should be he must contact a member, singular. You will need a pen or a pencil, right? So singular, singular, no problem. He is responsible for bringing a number of items, right? This is fine. You must write a report of a subjects of your choice. So a report is fine, but subject is plural, so it should be on a subject, singular. They cross through several forests and a stream, right? So one stream, so this is okay. There will be another important lessons. Lessons is plural, so if you have a problem, it should be, there will be another important lesson, singular. He could not give me a good reasons for what he did. So reasons is plural. It should be a good reason. He could not give me a good reason for what he did. So remember, we never use a and am with plural countable nouns, right? We use a when the next word starts with the consonant vowel, and we use and with the next word starts with the vowel sound. So that's what it. Okay. All right. So if you have any questions, let me know in the comments below and I'll get back to you. And again, if you found this content useful, give it a thumbs up. It really helps the YouTube algorithm. Consider subscribing so the channel can get bigger and stronger. And if you know anybody that can benefit from this type of tutorials, please share it with them because it's free, it's available for you to study on your own. So thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next video.